Absolutely. I'll tell you. If they have come after you, Hafa. Did you walk? They didn't walk. If they have power, you won't be here. The only way you know to call say, God, I thank you. If the one will get it to you again, any tribunal again, any God of happy, any Supreme Court, everything has ended. They have forced them. They can't come. I want to beg you, please, in the name of God. I need them. It may not say all of us here, but I can tell you, please, in the name of God, I know how painful it is. Focus on it. Because let me tell you, when you are pursuing it, you pay lawyers money. When they come now to fight you, you say, God, I have forgiven these people. Now they are not the one pursuing me. In fact, you have done it when they are pursuing you to come back to Supreme Court. But now that you have won everything, what can anybody do to you again? That may not be happy. Leader may not be happy. Speaker may not be happy. But whenever you don't need to be happy. But the Almighty God, I can tell you today, forgive them. That's what else people tell you. Let's go. Let us go. Let's move on. Shaibu, forget how you suffered, how you not suffer is part of life. You must pass through this process in life. Allow it. Move on. For the development of don't do it. Don't do it. And when I should have told you, pursue this man. I know what I passed through. But you won't know what I passed through. I should be the one who prosecute Obaseki. Money, everything. What is it in life? Oh, God has given you a position. If it was his power, you won't be here. But God has told him, you don't have it. I'll give it to whom I want to give it. But to tell you, wait. That will end with that respect. Dan. Leader, I know how pain you are. I know what you passed through. I know you suffered it. You suffered. It was like a humiliation to you. I was part of it that humiliated you. I apologize on national television to you. I said, I'm sorry for what I did. That's entirely focus on the development of people. You will see what you will achieve at the end of the day. Please, in the name of God, don't let him go. But if he dares come back to say, to preach, I say, my brother, God, have I not tried? God, I'm overcame to shoot me. God, what do you want me to do? I should tell this, and God will say, no, shut up.